I Spy a School Bus. Riddles by Jean Marzolo and photographs by Walter Wick. In this book, we're going to look for a lot of different objects, and we're also going to look for shapes. I spy a bus. Can you find the bus? 2 trees, a green star, a hopscotch game, and a smile on a car. Let's see, can you find the bus? There it is. 2 trees. Those are easy. There they are. A green star. It's right up here. A hopscotch game. It looks like this. Look, it's over by the kids. A smile on top of a car. Have to look closely. It's right there. Now we're going to look for some shapes. There's a lot of triangles on this page. You see the triangle like this with 3 sides? The tops of all these buildings right here are triangles. There's a circle right here. Can you see it? There's a circle here for the helicopter. There's a circle up here. If you look really close, we can see some stars. Can you zoom in? Look, there's a star right here, and there's a star right here, and there's a star right here, and there's a star right there. Tricky, huh? Good job. I spy glasses, a lobster, 5 fish, a chick in a boat, and a penny for a wish. There's the glasses. Those are easy. And there's the lobster. 5 fish. Okay, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th one? 5. A chick in a boat. Oh, there's that boat. Can you see that little chick? There he is. And a penny for a wish. Ooh, that's tricky. Look, it's poking out of the sand. Good. Okay, now we're going to look for shapes. Look, here's a circle. Penny is a circle. And on top of these sandcastles are circles. 1, 2, 3 circles. If you look really closely, oh, here's another circle. If you look really closely, you can see a sea star. And it's the shape of a star. Right here. Look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Nice job. Okay, I spy corn, a surfer, a pipe, a pink stingray, and a car with a stripe. Can you find the corn? It's right here. And the surfer, he's pretty easy to find. He's right here. A pipe that looks like this. That's a little bit tricky. Here it is. A pink stingray. Right at the top. And a car with a stripe. Right there. Oh, there's lots of circles in this one. I'll point out a few, but I bet you can find even more. There's 1. Oh, look, all these are circles. The marbles are circles. There's a circle. Now let's look for rectangles. Remember, rectangles have 4 sides. 2 long ones and 2 short ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a rectangle. And all these cards, those are rectangles. Even some squares. Can you find the squares? They're a little bit hard to see because they're kind of cut off. There's a square. And this is a square. Good job. I spy a screwdriver, a face that's small, that's a penny again, scissors, a comb, and a little football. Here we go. Here's the screwdriver. Find the small face on the penny? Right there. Now the scissors. Right here. A comb. Right here. And a little football. There it is. All right, we're going to find circles again. There's circles. Look, these are buttons, and inside the round circle are tiny little circles. That's fun. There's a lot of buttons on this page. Ooh, look, here's an oval. Remember, an oval is like a circle, but it's kind of stretched out. And these are kind of ovals too. This rubber band makes the shape of an oval. Here's some more circles. A circle inside a circle. There's a circle. There's a little circle. There's a tiny circle. The penny is a circle. Here's one up here. It's called a hexagon. Remember we looked at the hexagon when we were making the lion shape. These are both hexagons. Hexagons have 6 sides. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides is a hexagon. Do you see any other shapes that I missed? Good job. I spy a hammer, a nut, a deer, 2 little stars, and a glass that's clear. Okay, can you find the hammer? Right here. Ooh, look what's cool about this page. This page has shapes, and then every shape has a shadow. A long shadow. That's cool. A nut. Oh, look, it's right there. They're right by each other. A little deer. You see that little deer? And here's its shadow. You can see the shape of the deer. 2 little stars. Do you see those? I have to look really closely. Right here. 1, 2. And a glass that is clear. That one's an easy one. Look, when the light hits it, its shadow is yellow. Okay, now for shapes. There's some circles here, and these are circles. That's a circle. That's a circle. There's a circle inside here. Do you remember? That's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Do you see any other shapes? Oh, the stars. Stars are shapes, huh? Good job. I spy a green hat, a boxing glove, a duck, and a rainbow high above. Let's see. Can you find the green hat? You'll have to look closely. There's a lot of things to look at on this picture. Here's the green hat right down here. A boxing glove. Well, that one's a little tricky because it's right here right here in the corner of the book. A duck. Oh, that's a big one. That's easy. And a rainbow high above. See that rainbow in the picture? Time to find shapes. There's a circle. There's another circle. There's another circle. See a circle right up here? Look, there's a heart. Look, this one is a square. Can you see that? And here's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Squares have 4 sides and they're all the same length. Look, here's a triangle for the roof and more squares. This picture is a rectangle. So is this one a rectangle. This duck picture is a rectangle too. Ooh, look at all the things on this page. I spy 5 cards. Look, they're all together. A button that's red, a ring, a badge, and a crown for a head. All right, time to find the 5 cards. Can you look closely? They're right there. Good job. Now a button that's red. It's over here. A ring. It's right there. How about a badge? There you go. And a crown. Look, it's right above the badge. There are a lot of shapes on this page. Circle, 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 circle. Circle, circle. Look at that big star. Look, it's inside of a circle. There's another star. And here's a square down here. Can you see that square? There's a heart. There's another star. Do you see any? Those cards are the rectangle shape. This kind of looks like a rectangle. What shapes do you see? A lot of cool things on here. All right, let's go to the next page. I spy an egg beater, a blue bowling pin, a yellow fire hydrant, and an orange tail fin. Okay, let's start with the egg beater. That's kind of a funny one. That's eyes. Blue bowling pin. Look, it's upside down. Yellow fire hydrant. Right here. An orange tail fin. Oh, that was tricky. Look. It's kind of camouflage on that block. There's some good shapes on this page. Circles. And the eyes are circles. There's a circle and a circle. There's squares. There's one, there's one, there's one. There's a square. Here's some squares right here. There's a rectangle. There's a rectangle. There's a rectangle. The domino's a rectangle. Here's a triangle with 3 sides. And here's a triangle. And remember we learned about diamonds. Do you remember the other name for a diamond? It's a rhombus. All of these are rhombuses. Nice job. Okay, I spy a timer, a frog, a letter E, a yellow bus, and a wooden D. You find the timer? It's right here. How about the frog? He's down at the bottom. The letter E, it's up here at the top. A yellow bus is right down here. and a wooden D. Look, it's right here. The teddy bear in it. Blocks are a great place to find rectangles. Look at all these rectangles. That's a long one. There's one, there's one, there's one. And squares. Look, these little blocks on the necklace are squares. And there's a big red square, and a little blue square, and a little yellow one. There's a circle right there, and all of these are circles, those beads. If you look closely, you can see some stars right here. Nice job. Okay, this is our last one. I spy a bike, a car with the number 9, an ball with the number 8, and a truck with milk on a sign. This looks like a city. That's cool. Can you find the bike? Right here. You find that car with the number 9? Race car. Right down here. How about the 8 on a ball? An 8-ball it's called. Right here. And a truck with milk on a sign. Where's the milk truck? Ooh, that's tricky. It's right there. Okay, the circles are easy to find on this one. Right there. There's one. Remember, blocks are a great place to find rectangles. And here's a square with a circle inside. There's squares. Here's a circle. Here's squares. Do you see any other shapes? All right, I hope you enjoyed our I Spy book.